Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create workflow in Jira. So simply what you need to do, just click on project setting. So here you have to click on issues. So here you can see the workflow is available here. You can also create by just click on add issue type. So in this way you can also create your personal workflow, but I have already created it. So simply what you have to do this, just edit it. So here you can see the workflow platform here. So simply we can adjust them according to our work need. You can also adjust them according to your work. So here you can see all these options you can choose. So simply when you completely created your workflow, just you have to click on update workflow to fully updated your workflow. So now click on save button. So in this way you can create workflow in Jira.